Bro, but it's also about, the not the amount of leads, but the quality of leads.
यार मार्केटिंग का
समझा
बंदा
करो ना
है यार
यार.
यार see and I don't want to get too in depth with this matter at the moment because
Oh, for
then
sure.
मतलब bro but
We can skip immediately now.
हाँ bro मतलब let's skip immediately. Okay, so you my friend are, I would like to say, very skilled in the realm of content. Right, you have a very diverse background. I believe it's something that you started out as a passion, and then from where
Yeah.
it took where. So, tell me the journey about content. I want to dumb this down for people who might think what we're putting out is a bit too complex. This,
बिल्कुल करें.
हाँ मतलब कोशिश तो कर लेते हैं यार कि
बिल्कुल.
अल्लाह भला करे. People who have no understanding of what this man is referring to is that he is able to garner every business has three components.
Bro, आप ना बुक रिकमेंड करें. आप बुक रिकमेंड कर दें.
ये
जिस
मतलब
बुक से आप ये निकाल के कर रहे हैं ना लेआउट.
This was something that we're going to segue into in a little while, which is book recommendations from the both of us. लेकिन नाज़रीनो हज़रात जानियो और जानियो. The godfather of leads is what I'd like to call him, Mr. Alex Hormozi. ठीक है ना, $100 million offers and $100 million leads. जानी अपनी ये इंग्लिश की टेक्स्ट बुक फेंको, इंजीनियरिंग की टेक्स्ट बुक जला दो, ठीक है ना. अगर डॉक्टर हो नहीं तुम करो यार, तुम लोगों की मदद करते हो यार, तुम पढ़ाई करते रहो. तो अल्लाह भला करे. आई वुड हाईली रिकमेंड दैट
नीचे रेफरल लिंक है, वहाँ से खरीदना.
ज़रूर सर. तो अल्लाह भला करे. आई मीन एलेक्स बाबा सुन रहे हो ना यार, मतलब शाउट आउट टू यू यार. तो this book is a very good introduction to anyone who does not understand the digital landscape. Just dumbing it down for you. Every business has three components: marketing, sales, production. Marketing's responsibility is customer acquisition. Banda दुकान में लेकर आओ. If you've ever went to Shine Shinwari, यानी वो जो पट्टी होती है bro, वहाँ पर भाई I feel like men get harassed more over there than any female is complaining about in this world. Bro, menu लेकर आकर साप. I'm like, bro, calm down, bro. But what are they doing? They're trying to get customers into the business. So that is as simple as it is. It's marketing. In the digital landscape, how you would do that is you would either run paid advertisements so that you would get inbound leads. And if you do not have money for paid advertisements, you would text people and make it as personal as possible. If it's just text, make the text personal. If you could, make it a video message. But that's trying to get the clientele in. And let me ask you this. In terms of these three components, marketing, sales, production, brother, ये बंदा अपनी तारीफ नहीं करेगा, मैं करता हूँ. This man is production king, right? Like he's just spent so much time around content that he understands the ins and outs. And he's a great copywriter as well. He recommended a great book to me, Sell Like Crazy.
Sell Like Crazy.
Sell Like Crazy. वो भी गंजा आदमी है. खैर तो अल्लाह भला करे.
एलेक्स hormozi तो गंजा नहीं है ना.
Yeah, खैर मैं I was trying to relate it with Mr.
of course.
Abu
Andrew
Tate.
Tate. Andrew Tate.
Yeah, Abu
Yeah.
Tate. Abu Tate, bro, मुसलमान हो गया आदमी. Behave like it, my friend.
To pick. Born to pick with.
Another day, shall we? So, in terms of the three components, marketing, sales, and production, I feel like production is your highest leverage skill, and then marketing is something that is because it's outbound at the moment, I assume, correct?
Yep.
It is something that is more effort leveraged. How मैं sales का बंदा हूँ ना, तो anything you're struggling in sales with, or anything that you like to discuss in terms of the sales aspect of dealing with an international clientele and representing yourself honestly as someone in South Asia?
On outbound, how else would you recommend that we...
You're doing perfectly. That's what I'm saying. No, it's not your lead generation method I'm questioning. Once you have secured the lead and then you hop on an appointment setting call,
Right.
or maybe a closing call later down the line,
Right.
tell me the journey that because you recently got into the international market, right?
Yeah.
How's that been?
Yeah, it's been tough because like I did not have any experience, but like we had some few warm contacts and then we sort of made case studies from that, and then when you have a case study, that's where it gets easier. So I think that's the most important thing, is that you should have really good solid case studies, and then आपके पास जो appointment की call होती है उस पे आपके जैसा बंदा होना चाहिए जो कि उसी वक्त एडवांस के पैसे निकलवाए, and then get the thing out of the way.
काटना होगा, मुझे बताना.